Hey guys, welcome back to part 3 of the Void Linux installation series.
He's just trying to
Now,
kill us.
uh, in part 3, we'll mostly be covering up the basic root system installation, and then in the next part, we'll go over how to configure that. So, the first thing you want to do for the root system installation is we want to mount the partitions that we created in the previous part to a directory. So we'll mount
Mounting.
slash dev slash sda 2. Oh, sorry, this is swap space slash dev slash sda 3. This is our root partition. For those of you who haven't used swap space, this might be slash dev slash sda 2. You want to mount this to slash
He
mnt,
what? Oh wait, I
and
know what this is all about. He's the guy
now
who
what you
breaks
want
the
to do
terms and
is you want to
conditions.
make a directory with parents. So this means if a directory before that doesn't exist, it'll make that too. And we want to make this in our root partitions slash boot slash EFI folder. And now we want to mount slash dash slash sda1 to that directory. And that should be our mounting
He's
process
just
done. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to set three variables. The first one is the arc variable in all caps. This will be x8664 for me,
might as
and
well tell them how to spell arc.
it's on the screen. Next you
Oops.
wanna type out the xbps underscore arc variable against in all caps, and this can just be the
Could
same
just
as
be
the
like
arc variable. So I'll just type a dollar sign and arc variable here. And the last thing that you want to do is you want to set the repo variable. Now you don't really have to do this, uh, and I won't do this, but well, the installation guide, which can be found in the documentation installation via root, as you can see, they set the repo variable. Now this is not necessary, we don't need to do this, but what I will do is I will copy this repo because I'm too lazy to type it out. Just close
okay,
that.
alright. Makes sense.
So
I got
now
all of
what we
it.
want to do is we want to do xbps install. We want to sync the repositories. So dash s. We want to install this to slash mnt. We want to set that as our root. And then the repo that we want to use
What's a
in
root again?
quotation marks. Now this repo will be um our this thing. So you need to do that
This
because
thing.
otherwise it won't understand where to look for. And this will be different if you're using a muzzle installation. I'm pretty sure this is for glibc. And then we just want to install base system there. This is a meta package which has a bunch of stuff which you might need. So we let this do its stuff, and we'll click yeah to import the public key. And yeah, I'm
He
gonna
should be
install all of
breathless in
this.
around 10 seconds.
Now
Oh,
we
he
just have to
finally ran
wait
out of breath.
until
Oh no.
this installs. Alright guys, so now that we've done our installation,
At last.
um,
Took
what we're
long
gonna do
enough.
next is we're going to conclude this series, this part. I mean, so thank you all for watching part 3, and in the next part, we're going to go crude into the system and configure some stuff.
Go what?